So far, I've gotten good feedback naman from them. Sabi nila, kahit na naging ako na head ng sindikato, sasama na lang daw sila.
Ano?
Pag ikaw naman ang kasama, fight na, di ba? Go na. Go, Lex.
Tawag dito, is this the start of your parang it seems you have a quest to present yourself as a new actor here? Kasi sabi mo nga, you don't want to be stereotyped, di ba? Parang ito na ba yung simula?
I think every project should have something new. Mahirap naman yung parating isang side lang ipapakita mo sa audience. It helps to keep the interest alive. You have to reinvent yourself all the time. So, I might play a bad guy here. Next time, baka balik tayo sa good guy. So, it depends. It might be romance next time, it might be comedy next time, it might be action. So, we'll try everything first and then we'll see how it goes.
With your new character, what did you have to undo?
The thing that I had to undo was more on yung trying to be parang masyadong being likable. Iba kasi yung galaw ng kontrabida. So there are natural actions that we do na hindi mo pwede gawin pag kontrabida ka.
So, bawas pa cute ka?
Bawas ng smile, hindi ka pwede masyadong yung intensity ng stare mo, yung ganun. Yung bawas din ng galaw, iba yung galaw kasi hindi masyadong magalaw yung character ng kontrabida compared sa ng good guy, yung nice guys, yung ganun, parang.
Ang ganda ng question.
Yeah.
Gusto ko yung question.
Hello, may isa pa, last